Hi everyone. Today we'll continue basic operation, basic operation on matrices, and we'll learn how to multiply. Yes, multiply a matrix by a number. So today is this, multiply. Okay, let's go. How to multiply a matrix by a number? It is very simple. If you have a matrix A, you have this matrix, and n is a number. So NA meaning n, n you divide, you multiply, you multiply with this matrix. So every element you will multiply it by n, and n is a number. Normally we call it a scalar, scalar. Okay, let's see an example. Okay, we look at example 11. Given that D equal to this matrix, calculate 3D. Okay, 3D means 3 times D. D is the matrix, so it is actually 3 times the matrix is negative 5, 4, 2, and 1. So what do? You just times the number here, your scalar, with the element, each and every one of the element here. Okay, so what you do is your matrix will be 3 times negative 5, 3 times 4, 3 times 2, 3 times 1. Then you close the bracket. So you'll get the answer negative 15, 12, 6, and 3. So this is the answer for 3D. Okay. Okay, we look at B. We look at B. Negative 1 over 2D. That means times D. The matrix will be negative 1 over 2 times, you don't have to write the symbol, understood, negative 5, 4, 2, and 1. Okay, then you just multiply negative 1 over 2 with negative 5, and then negative 1 over 2 with 4. Okay, and then negative 1 over 2 with 2, negative 1 over 2 with 1. And then you close the bracket. So this one, everything you have times inside. You'll get what? Negative times negative, you'll get positive. Positive 5 over 2. This one you can cancel out. You'll get negative 2. And this one cancel, you get negative 1, and this one you'll get back your negative 1 over 2. So this is it. You have done with that. This is negative 1 over 2D. So just remember this one. Sometimes we will forget about this negative, and then when you times, then you miss the negative, so answer will be wrong. Okay, so remember the details, small details. Next, example 12. Example 12, you are given P, Q, calculate 3P minus Q. This one, you have to solve everything in the bracket first. After that, only you times with number 3. And this is like a simple linear equation. 3 times P minus Q, meaning 3 times, we use this one first. We use a bracket here. Okay, like that. P is 7, 9, negative 3, 8, 6, 12, minus your Q. Your Q is this one, 1504. Okay, so what did I say just now? You solve the one in the bracket first. So these 3 you write back. 3. Okay, this bracket. So minus. Minus, this one we have learned before. So 7 minus 2, 9 minus, not 3, negative 3. And then negative 3 minus 1, 8 minus 5, and then 6 minus 0, 12 minus 4. Close back the bracket. Oh, this bracket is not big enough. Okay, yeah. So what you'll get is 3. Of course, you'll get your matrix now. 5, 7 minus 2 is 5. This one will become plus. So you'll get here 12. And then this one you'll get negative 4. This one you'll get 3. This is 6. And this one is 8. And then you close. Okay. So now you can do like example 11. Number 3. Number 3, you just times every element here. Yeah, every element here. So what do you get? We do a shortcut. Is it okay? We times in our mind only. Okay, 3 times 5 is 15. This is 36. This is negative 12. This is 9. This is 18. And this is 24. So don't use your calculator. Use your calculator in your brain. Okay. Okay, now example 13. You're asked to find the value of x and y. After you have learned how to multiply the matrices. Okay, a bit of challenge here. Okay. What you do is you write back 1 over 2 4, 12 minus x minus 3. You just solve like the linear equation. First, what do you do? Yeah, you just solve this one first. You times this one first. So this one will be 4 over 2, 12 over 2. Or you want me to write like this. 1 over 2 times 4. 1 over 2 times 12. Okay. I write back this one. Okay. Then this one is 2. This one is 6. 2, 6 minus x negative 3. 5 y. Okay. So now you just do like the linear equation. 2 minus x equal 5. 2 minus x equal 5. Then your x will be 5 minus 2. Your x will be 3, and a negative x will be 3. Then your x will be negative 3. So you got your x. Okay, how to get your y? How to get the y? Okay, 6 minus negative 3 is y. 6 minus negative 3 equal to y. So actually this one is plus, yeah. So your y is 9, 6 plus 3. So this is your answer. Okay. Next, for B, given that 4R plus this matrix become this matrix. Okay, now you have to calculate what is your matrix. Your matrix R. Yeah, what is it? So we write back this one. 9, 0, 2, negative 3 equal negative 3, 4, 10, and 1. The first thing you do, like your linear equation, you transfer this one first. Yeah, we settle this one first. So this is still for R equal, you bring it to the to this side. Wait, 1. Okay, here plus, that means here you will have to minus. Yeah, 2, negative 3. Then you'll get, can we do without writing it? We just do in our mind. Yeah, negative 3 minus 9. What do you get? Negative 12. Yeah. 4 minus 0 is 4. 10 minus 2 is 8. 1 minus negative 3. 1 minus negative 3 is, of course, this one plus, and you will get 4. Yeah, you'll get 4. Sorry. You'll get 4. Then you close this one. So this, you write back your 4R. Okay, now what do you do with your R? With your 4? Because you want to find R. So R equal, yeah, you have to divide it with 4. Yeah, we divide with 4. You use 1 over 4 times negative 12, 4, 8, and 4. So you will get your R is, okay, this one. You want me to write, or you can do it without writing it? Okay, this one actually you can cancel 1 over 4 times negative 12. Yeah, and then 1 over 4 times 4. We close this one. And then 1 over 4 times 8. 1 over 4 times 4. Okay, so your R will be, cancel. This one you'll get negative 3. Okay. This one cancel, you'll get 1. This one cancel, you get 2. And this one cancel, you get 1. So this is your R. Finally, you got your R. Okay. I think you're fine with that one, Okay, we go to example 14, the last one. The average number of vehicles per day in a parking area for 5 working days, represented in table X. This is table X. This one is for 5 days, Monday to Friday lah. Yeah. So table Y represent the average number of vehicles per day on weekends. So this is weekends. Question: calculate the number of vehicles parked in the parking area in a week. So in 1 week we have how many days? 7 days. 7 days. And then for table X, this one is for 5 days, right? 5 days. And for table Y, it is for weekends. That means weekends is Saturday, Sunday. So I mean 2 days. 2 days. So our plan, how do we answer this? The total number of vehicles. We have different number of vehicles during weekdays and weekends. So our strategy is 5 days we times with X, right? And then we plus 2 days, this one, 2 days we times with number of vehicles on table Y, during weekend. Okay, so with this guide we can now write, yeah? We can now write 5 times x is 42, 8, 20 and 11. Then we add, we just follow here, 2 times, okay, table y is this one, 12, 3. Okay, so now you solve. You are very expert now how to multiply the matrix. Yeah, 5 you times with 42, you'll get 210. 5 times 8 is 40. Yeah, this one is 100 and this one is 55. Yeah, and then you plus with this 2 times 25 is 50. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 12 is 24. And finally 2 times 3 is 6. So you add everything, you'll get the answer. Yeah, you add everything, every element accordingly. Yeah, the corresponding element. So 110 plus 50 is 260. Yeah, and then 40 plus 10 is 50. Close this bracket. 100 plus 24 is 124. 55 plus 6 is 61. Please do not use the calculator. You are faster doing this with just using your brain. Yeah, no need to use calculator. So this is the answer, class. Very easy, yeah? Good. Okay. Yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you can do the self-practice 2.2b. Yeah? Do it all because practice makes perfect. So stay updated and wait for my next video. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.